How to reset your Spotify account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnaut, and today I'll guide you on how you can reset your Spotify account. Now, basically, if you wish to reset your Spotify account, basically it might mean that you want to reset your password, right? So if you just want to reset your account password, or if you forgot your login password and now you want to reset it, then let me help you. You can simply head over to the accounts.spotify.com, the web Spotify login page. You want to head over there, and then you want to head into the login page. You can see here I'm on the login page. Now here on the login page, at the bottom you should be able to see there below the login button, you can see there forgot your password option. You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will ask you for email address or username. You want to simply enter in your email address that you used in order to create your password, your account, sorry, and then it'll send a reset link, the password reset link, to your email, and you can go ahead onto your mail, open up the mailbox, tap on the link, and go ahead and reset it. So this way you can reset your Spotify password. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.